So today got away from me. I was gonna make dinner and I had a whole game plan, but everything changed because I got home super late. And so I'm gonna still stick to my game plan, but I'm cheating a little bit. I am making Tikka Masala with Feges barbecue smoked chicken and just a ton of veggies. I'll show you the ingredients list, but there's a little, I'm cheating tonight. This is my Tikka Masala because I do not have time to do plan A. But let's look at these veggies that we've got. Sweet potato, carrots, cauliflower, bag of spinach, Feges barbecue, smoked chicken, and some cashews. These are optional. And then I'm actually using some brown rice that I store in my text body box. So I'm gonna make this real fast for you guys. I want to add a cooking liquid, but I don't have wine open. Don't judge my fridge. Going to my favorite vermouth. This is pretty aromatic, so I'm only going to add a splash. There you go. Okay. Feges barbecue smoked pulled chicken. Going in. One-handed. It's already cooked, so just remember all you're doing is just loosening up the meat because it's been in that vacuum sealed bag. In go carrots and cauliflower. Chopped sweet potato going in. Whole raw cashews. I love the cashews, but I'm not going to use the whole bag because self-control. All right, now the cheat part. I'm kind of sad about this. I was really looking forward to making that recipe for you guys, but I just got home too late to make it happen. That's not very much sauce, but don't worry. You're gonna add a little bit of water to the jar, shake it up, get all the extra flavor that's stuck on the lid and in the jar, and then there's gonna be some liquid that cooks out of the veggies too. The veggies and the stuff, you can see all that beautiful steam. And that's just that one jar, and it's gonna be the perfect amount. Time to check our brown rice. Put a little fluff. All right, 20 minutes later, all done. And very healthy on brown rice. Wyatt, are you ready for dinner? Maybe? Why don't you think about it?